Ayam salad. Okay. This one by one. This one another one. The same. Salad chicken rice, guys, for our lunch. 6 ringgit or this salad chicken rice. Sauce. Lupa. Hey, Mama, salad chicken rice.
Okay.
Yeah.
Put down the
Mommy already put there. Put in the mouth.
Okay.
Ready? Put the whole thing in the mouth.
No hot water one. Okay.
Okay, mantap, guys.
Correct.
Yeah.
Good.
Okay, mommy again. So hello guys. So this one is salad chicken rice there. Salad chicken rice is 6 ringgit only, guys. There's a lot on the portion there, the meat. Every time we come here, we only order from the stall lah. This one is what the this one be?
Sunshine Cafe.
Sunshine Corner. There.
Okay. Wait.
There, guys.
Wait there.
6 ringgit, a lot of chicken.
Okay.
Guys, try.
They maintain the taste, huh?
They panas the chicken for the panas. The rice was hot.
Got soup again. Got soup.
The soup was hot, kan? Dia makan.
Okay. Hello. This one is salad chicken rice. 6 ringgit. Got salad. And then got chili again there. Got sambal chili there. Can make it spicy and then got salad again.
Mommy, put what blue color?
Blue second.
It's very crispy.
Very crispy, beyond.
This one is one the super one now. Salad, correct. Sunshine Corner.
Sunshine Corner. At Matang here, guys.
Matang. Nice. And makan, guys. Hey.
Makan.
Thank you for watching with me. If you like our video, feel free to like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel Jessicajvst. Yes, that's right. Just type in the search Jessicajvst to view more of our videos. Hope to see you in the next video. Bye-bye.